Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the details of the replacement engine coolant fluid reservoir tank by AW Ignition, specifically designed for Kenworth Trucks, including the 2013 to 2021 T680 and the 2014 to 2021 T880 models. This essential component holds the coolant fluid that circulates through your engine's cooling system, allowing pressure to build and release safely as the engine heats up and cools down. If you're noticing leaks, a low coolant level, or an overheating engine, it might be time to replace your coolant reservoir tank with this high-quality, direct replacement part. It replaces part numbers CP237001, DR104002, DR104003, DR104004, and 6035245, ensuring a perfect fit and function just like the original. While not an OEM part, it boasts an OEM fit, quality, and finish, addressing common issues like leakage that can lead to engine overheating. Remember to always let the engine cool down before opening the radiator cap or coolant tank to safely release pressure. Plus, with a lifetime warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that if it ever fails, you can easily get a replacement. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.